Earlier this week, a Maple Grove woman got a much-needed day of pampering. 27-year-old Michelle Hunn recently underwent a bilateral mastectomy after finding out that she's a carrier of the BRCA2 gene.
That gene significantly raises your risk of developing breast and ovarian cancer. Now, it's been 3 weeks since her surgery, and she wanted a day just to feel pretty. And that's why Simonson Salon and Spa gave her the ultimate makeover. TCL reporter Kylee Hansen takes us along.
3 weeks ago,
Yep,
you decided to do something.
I did.
What did you have done?
I had a double mastectomy with the first stage of reconstruction done on September 16th.
This is incredible. So you electively chose to have a mastectomy.
Yep.
And the reason being what?
I don't want cancer.
I have to ask dumb questions. I know the answer to that, but I have to ask those kind of questions.
Simple answer.
You have really beautiful hair.
Thank you.
Were you excited to hear that you were going to get this?
I was so excited, yeah. I cried in my kitchen. I was home alone, and I just got the email and started sobbing.
We're gonna lighten you up, and we're gonna do a little surprise for you today that we're not gonna tell you right now. But we're gonna surprise you a little bit.
You haven't told me yet at all?
No.
Okay.
We're gonna just surprise you a little bit.
Going through a double mastectomy, you don't really feel like you used to.
Breasts are one of the things that make a woman feel like a woman, and then, you know, mine were removed at the age of 27, and they look okay in shirts, but, you know, if I'm just looking at myself in a mirror, it still isn't normal and it still isn't comfortable, and sometimes it's hard to feel like I'm my most beautiful self when a part of my body's being regrown.
What kind of makeup do you usually like to wear?
I pencil in my brows, and then good old chapstick.
Good old
That's my makeup routine.
You've colored her hair. Now we're in the next process. The next step is shaping.
We're shaping.
What's the plan here, Adeline?
So the plan is we're taking her a little shorter in the back. We're doing what's called a lob. So
Okay.
it's longer than a typical bob. It's normally about collarbones in the front and about like collar length in the back.
I think this is the same haircut that I have.
It's super cute. Yep. Turn around. Let's see the back of your hair. Yep. You have a lob.
Are you feeling good about this?
Yes.
Yes. We're feeling good. But she can't even look at the mirror. This is going to be hard. What do you hope that this makeover brings for you?
I hope it's just a day to relax and, you know, take care of myself, and at the end to just feel externally beautiful. I'm a believer that sometimes when you feel good on the outside, it helps you on the inside as well.
This is the part where it's going to be hard for me. My favorite part is the spin around. Like, that's my thing.
I'm just pressing in the moisturizer, really making sure your skin drinks it up. Your hair looks so good. You're gonna really like to see. What kind of brushes do you like to use?
Whatever Target has.
Yeah, that makes sense. Do you clean your brushes?
Not as much as I should.
Yes, do a weekly brush cleanse. That's one of my favorite tips. How does the foundation feel on your skin though?
Feels like nothing.
That's what I like to hear. That's good. Okay, looking gorgeous.
Our makeover, it is complete. We've got hair check, makeup check, clothing from Simonson's boutique check. Remember what she looked like before? Are you ready to see yourself?
I am.
Okay, let's give it a 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, that's so cool! Oh, I love it! This is bomb.
I have to sneak in here because you didn't know you were going to get little pink pieces through your hair.
You know, there was a surprise, and I thought it might be. Because it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
It looks awesome.
Yeah. Oh, it does.
Are you going
I
to shock
love it.
your husband and your coworkers?
Yeah. Yeah, totally.
And your
my
makeup.
mother.
Get a little closer. I mean, look, it looks so natural, but it just gives you a pop.
Yeah, oh, I love it. It looks so good. Thank you, everyone.
Well, we wish you nothing but great health.
Thank you.
And you just look beautiful, and I hope you feel beautiful too.
Thank you, I do.
Well, what a wonderful story that was. I mean, the story is wonderful, and then the look is like, whoa.
I want pink hair.
I know you want pink hair now.
That is so cool.
That looks
she
awesome.
just looked
Great job.
so great. I mean, she was darling before, and that's the thing about these makeovers that are so wonderful. It's just
about bringing out the beauty.
Yeah, it is, and it's just like bright and happy, and she totally deserves that. That's really wonderful. A big thanks to Simonson Salon and Spa for giving Michelle a day that will definitely help in her recovery, and for sponsoring the show. And I just love that it went from this moment of crying by herself, of getting that news, and then taking some action, and then getting to just see yourself in a whole new way.
Really cool. Hey, Simonson's has 3 metro locations, Coon Rapids, Plymouth, and Maple Grove. We've posted contact info to make your appointment up on our website, twincitieslive.com.
Get
Coming
pink
up.
hair.
You should get pink.
I would love to.
We'd get you a pink extension, something you could clip in, clip out. It'd be really easy.
It'd be fun.
After